everybody, it's Harley Girl here. Thank you for joining the channel today. Going on a little bit of a ride, gonna meet up with some friends along the way, and we're going to Friday the 13th in Port Dover, Ontario. This is supposed to be the world's largest one-day motorcycle rally. However, there has been some other numbers that come in sometimes, and they say it's only North America's one-day rally that has such huge numbers in attendance. Yesterday was Friday, September the 13th, 2024, and the attendance was well over 75,000. Join me on this little adventure as we partake in the festivities of Port Dover, Friday the 13th.
No, it's a camera. You're on camera.
All right, fair enough.
Wave high. Wave high and I'll put you on YouTube.
Oh, yeah, right on. YouTube?
Yeah. Okay. Here, I'm going to give you a sticker for that so you can find the channel. And what's for your and what's for your belly?
Yeah, I've been following you for a little bit, so yeah.
Have you? Well, then you know.
Yes, I can. Yeah. Oh, I get to hold the magic stick now.
Have you ever used a mesh with
feel? 30? I'm like, I know, I thought it was
We guys
31 or
try
a
to
30.
compensate for little winners.
I thought that was only trucks.
It's very.
I was going to say the opposite way.
Yeah.
It's
I
very
thought, okay, so
stretched
it's not
out.
just pickup trucks. It's more.
No, it's not compensating for anything.
Did you hear? He
It's a
just told
beautiful
us.
bike.
Oh, so good to see you. So he told me he has a big tire because he's compensating for his small penis. Oh, cool.
Nice.
So
At least he owns it.